How to do and where to find this viral add your sticker. Hello guys and welcome to our channel, welcome to World of Apps. So in this video I'll show you from where you can do and how to find 4 pics of you before 2022 ends Instagram change story. So keep on watching. First of all, you will have to go to your Instagram app and then search for Ali and John YTT. Once you get here, you will have to go to December, add yours at highlights. Click on that, and if the highlights are not loading, I have a YouTube tutorial in the description box below that can help you with this problem. So make sure to check on that. You can also find my other viral trends here. So there we have it. Click on the add yours button. And also, if you are not able to click on the add yours button, I have a YouTube tutorial in the description box below for this problem. Now you just have to go to your uploads and choose 4 pics from your gallery. I will go with this photo. Now to add a second one, you just have to place this photo in the left top corner or where you want by using your 2 fingers, and the motion is zooming in and zooming out. Then you have to go to stickers from the top of the screen, scroll down and click on this plus icon, and it will get you to the gallery once again, and you can choose your second photo, third and fourth. I will leave it just with one photo right now for the tutorial, and you just have to share this with your friends. So guys, if this video was useful, you can like it. You can comment in the comment section down below your questions, your thoughts about it, and I will make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible and help you with all of your problems. You can also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one, and you can also turn on the notification bell because I'm posting every day. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.